Meaning of DC.
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 DC. DC stands for direct current, which refers to the flow of electric charge. It is a type of electrical current that flows in one direction only. Unlike AC, alternating current, which changes direction periodically, DC always flows in the same direction. DC can be produced from batteries or AC sources by using a rectifier. It is commonly used in electronics, such as in computer power supplies and motor control systems. Generally, DC is more efficient for long-distance power transmission and less prone to electromagnetic interference than AC.